Too busy to lose my cool. Been too much to do. Got a story that can I do the news. I suppose I suggest you move. Ain't worried about you. Bare things to get to. Never ever let you destroy my fortune. Not that important. Then what I'm courting for that misfortune. I pity. Blocking all my enemies. I commit that to memory. One they never seen. All of a sudden wanna be friends of me. Nah, never DP that made me wanna lose my concrete. Pushing button. Lord, don't let my arms reach. Fist don't dream. This is where my mind still need to be. Can I focus back to the movement? This man yin and peace. Let my midfinger be the treat. When I see success gonna play at the end of the week. But in the meantime.
And well, this your boy CP6 with another video. Kind of quick though. So this is what the Lexus look like right now. So I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, I got the rims on there. I got the fit. So what I had to do, I had to shade that down, but it looked good. So next thing to do is just paint the calipers so it won't look, like it's been scuffed up. But I just, or basically a shade, but and have a rusty look to it. But I got that done, so I just gotta paint it. It looked good. Alright, so the other things I did, I add a sticker that adds the Easter egg to what I'm about to do to his car. Not gonna spoil it yet, but got, this is what what it look like and everything. So what we gonna get into today is we are going to change the side markers. So this is what the side markers look like. So it's about to be dope. So about to go get that out the mailbox. This is what the right one look like. So yellow, red, side markers. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of inside interior work, so that would be the next thing. So then we go get out the mailbox and show y'all the side markers. So the side marker came in. Got it. I'm still waiting on the other package. Supposed to be coming. It says it's like 7 steps away. So as I'm recording this video, for the interior, but this is the side marker. I believe this is the. Is this for the front? I believe this for the front. Let's see. Nope, this got to be for the back. This must be the rear. Yeah, that's for the rear. So these are the rear lights right here, black on black. Smoke, and these are the fronts right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the original ones off and put them on. And I'll let you know if there was any difficulty, but pretty sure it's like a plug and play type deal. Nothing to really scratch your head too much about. and I'll show you a difference. All right, so it's done. As you see, smoke out. Tail lights come here. Smoke out. And this side right here, you see it's kind of dark over this side right here, but where my fingertips at, just got that in there. And my little tools, and this on ground, I'm gonna pick that up. But that's, smoked out. So I'll catch y'all on the next video. The vet is back. I got the water pump on this, so for y'all want to know what's going on with it, I got the water pump back together. Man, it's done. It's good. But there's going to be a mod coming from this. And I'm so excited to do this mod. Like, I've been waiting for a very long time. Since high school and middle school, I was going to drive a car with this mod. And I'm doing this to the vet. So when I get that mod, y'all will know. So go ahead and subscribe and stay subscribed, because this mod is life-changing to me. I love this mod. And it's going to pave way for the wide body, which is, over here. So whatever I get, gotta put that on that. But I gotta do that mod first before I put the wide body on. It all makes sense. And the ore, so, yep. All right, so like I said, I ain't got all them power up, but just got this side power up. The glare on this, ew. But it's basically, it's a line on this camera. Can't just make it look straight yellow, but it's a line that's like a small little line that goes through, so look nice that way. So I just gotta get the back, working. Gotta power it up, get the cores running. So it's done. So I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.